Hello everyone, I am Kritay Gupta. Welcome to my channel Bhavya Bharat. Today we are going to talk about few Indian superstitions which are actually scientific. With time, the science behind them has been forgotten though. Let's see some of them. Peepal tree is considered auspicious and cutting it is a sin. The science behind it is that peepal is the only tree which gives oxygen in the night too. Rest all trees give oxygen only during the day and take in oxygen during the night. So peepal works for us day and night. So guys, no ghost will kill you if you cut peepal. But yes, we will have lesser oxygen to breathe. Another famous superstition is black cat crossing paths is considered a bad omen. People stop or change their way. In old days, people used to travel from in between the jungles. If a black cat would run and cross, it would imply that a bigger animal is following it. So, people used to stop or change their path to avoid getting attacked. But it has nothing to do with bad omen. Another science became superstition as the reason behind it is forgotten. It is said not to keep the head in north direction and sleep, as this is only for dead people. Now, the science is if a person sleeps in the north direction, then the electromagnetic field of the earth and the human body do not match. All the body cells will be unsettled and the person will not get a sound sleep. Let's move on to another one. You must have seen elders adding 1 rupee sum to any envelope given as a gift. This was done to make the sum odd and thus indivisible. Doing so, the amount was solely used by the person getting the gift. Isn't it too thoughtful? Another one is not to sweep the floor after sunset. The main reason behind this is during old times there was no electricity and it would get dark after sunset. Sweeping in the dark could result in sweeping out some precious things as well with the garbage. So, people, it has nothing to do with sending fortune away. Now, it's mandatory to bathe after a funeral. It is considered superstition, but it is truly scientific. All the people attending the funeral are exposed to deadly viruses and germs. So, it is best to have a good bath right after it. Let's move to the next one. My mom gives me dahi chini before my exam. People do so before doing a major thing. There is science behind it. It is curd and sugar gives an instant boost of energy while keeping the mind calm. It helps to focus and keep cool. Isn't it amazing? Another one is never chew tulsi leaves and crush under the teeth, as it is considered holy. The science behind it is that tulsi is very healthy and you must have it. But it has a little amount of arsenic which can degrade the teeth enamel if it's grinded by them. So next time, just swallow tulsi leaves, but remember the reason behind it. It is very common in India to hang lemon and chili. Superstition says that it avoids bad omen. Science is that lemon and chili creates an acidic odor which helps to keep insects away. So, it's not a totka, but a science to keep pests away. There is a tradition to take out the first bite of food for birds, which is kept right outside the house. Science behind it is when birds come to feed on the food, they drop their poop. Bird droppings have useful seeds which germinate fast. It is the simplest way to grow new trees, especially peepal, banyan and many other fruit trees. Another superstition is to give oil to Dakot on Saturday. In old times, there were no street lights. People used to light lamps in their house, but streets used to remain in the dark. So, dacoits were assigned to collect oil from all the houses on one day of the week, that is, Saturday, and use it to light lamps on the streets. It was a community service done with humble hearts, but now there are street lights everywhere, so no need for oil. There are many more superstitions, or should I call super science, as they all made us scientists in our daily lives. Isn't it a proud realization that we adopted science thousands of years ago in such simple practices? Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.